Hey, hey, it's Berta Jay, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. We're gonna talk about, can you freeze it? Now, I did a little experiment and you are gonna see the results of it. I froze lettuce. This is romaine, I froze it. And this is the other half of it. I froze some baby spinach as well, and some arugula right there. Now, all of these are fresh, washed, leafy greens, but I thought, let me just see if you can do this, if you can freeze these. So I'm gonna set them to the side, and then we're gonna come back and look at them in a few minutes. Tomatoes, can you hear it how hard it is? Listen. Because I would not recommend you eating frozen cherry tomatoes that are cut on your salad, because you might break a tooth. And frozen leafy greens, well, we'll see what it turns out like. So I'm going to push it to the side, and I'm going to share something else with you. This was a bit of an accident. One day I was cutting up my romaine lettuce for my salad mix, and I tore off, like I always do before I spin it down, I tore off these little guys right here in the center, the veins. Usually when I'm working in the kitchen with greens, sometimes I just pop some of it into my mouth because I know it's good for me, and I've gotten an acquired taste for these greens. But I want to show you something that came totally by accident and wanted to share it with you because I thought maybe you might like it as well. And this is just ice water that I wanted to keep the leaves of the romaine nice and fresh. This works very, very well before you want to actually cut it up. Like straight from the store, you wash it, it looks kind of limp, put it in some ice water and it'll perk right back up. Okay, so we've got 4 of these here, and you're probably saying, Berta, what are you going to do with that? I'm going to show you. Because I like the leaf, I started eating right here. And then one time I wasn't paying attention, I just took a bite of the whole thing, and I thought, that tastes pretty good. So I started doing this. And look what I came up with. Something that kind of reminds you of celery, or maybe a half of slices of cucumber. And I popped it in my mouth. It's really good. It has a little romaine-y taste. Is there such a word? Anyway, it tastes like romaine, but there's a lot of water and crunch that comes with it. Use these as a topping. This is a dressing I'll share with you later. It's a creamy Italian. It's very good. Take your stalk like this, like a piece of celery. And if you want to do this, you could probably do it with carrots as well. That's really good. So that's what you can do with the centers of the leaves of the romaine. Very delicious. Okay, so we're going to drag back this. See it hanging down? Can you freeze romaine? Would you want that on your salad? Would you want this anywhere? You can't freeze romaine. And I know one of my troopers told me her mom told her, you can freeze anything but lettuce. And this one, because the leaf is turned back, it's just as bad. So don't freeze lettuce, okay? Don't freeze arugula. The tomatoes, because they're denser, more dense than these leaves, listen. But I have let them thaw at another time, and they just get very, very mushy. But if you want to cook with this, then this would be fine. Like throw it into a mix with some onions and garlic and maybe some fresh spinach, not frozen, this frozen stuff that I just did. That would be fine. But it does, if you just have it this way to go on a salad, that's not a good idea to freeze tomatoes. That's really the end of the video. I just wanted to share these 2 things with you about freezing these leafy greens this way, these light leafy greens. It's getting worse. That's really the end of the video. I hope you've learned something. We'll talk again about some other frozen greens, but right now, this is what I wanted you to know. Eat the veins in romaine lettuce. They taste really good. Add them to your salad. Eat them like you would a piece of celery, and just enjoy eating greens. Find out new things about the foods that you eat and try different ways of eating them, but not frozen lettuce, okay? And so until next time, troopers, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell. Don't forget to leave me some comments below and let me know what you think about what I just shared today. Okay? Bye for now.